Are you in need of a reliable and affordable dumpster rental service? Look no further than Wade Rental LLC. With years of experience and a commitment to customer satisfaction, Wade Rental LLC is your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs. At Wade Rental LLC, we offer many dumpster rental services to meet your requirements. Whether it's a small home project or a large-scale construction site, we've got you covered. We take pride in delivering top-notch customer service and ensuring your project runs smoothly with the right dumpster size and timely drop-off and pickup. We offer competitive rates to fit any budget, making your project cost-effective. We ensure that our dumpsters are in excellent condition and that our team is punctual and reliable. We understand the importance of timing in your project. That's why we offer prompt delivery and pickup services. Our priority is your satisfaction. Our team goes the extra mile to meet your needs and ensure a hassle-free experience. Ready to get started? Contact us today to book your dumpster rental. Call us at 432-356-2155 or visit our website at www.wadedumpsterrental.com. Wade Rental LLC, your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs. Call us today, and let's make your project a success. Wade Rental LLC, where your satisfaction is our top priority.